Hi, this is Cassandra Parker, and today I'm going to show you how to create an event in Salesforce.com using your accounts, projects, and contacts. So let's get started. When entering an event in Salesforce.com, it's important that we associate that event with an account, contact, or project. So your first step is going to be to look up your account, contact, or project, whichever one you would like for this event to be associated with, and search for that in the global search bar at the top of the screen. Once you've located the account, contact, or project that you would like to associate this event with, simply go into that account, contact, or project's main screen. In the quick links at the top of the screen, you'll see the Open Activities link. Either hover over that if you're on a PC or select it if you're on an iPad. And then the next screen that will pop up will show you there's a new task and new event. You want to select New Event. Now we're ready to create our event. The only required fields are highlighted with a red line to the left. Assigned to will always be yourself. Subject, start and end, date and time. The subject is probably the most important field because if you have the Outlook to Salesforce connector installed, the subject is the only detailed information that will pull over into Outlook from Salesforce. So it's best to be as descriptive in this section as possible. If you look to the right of the screen, you'll see this is related to an account of ABC Flooring. The reason this pulled over is because I was in the account ABC Flooring when I created this event. This will work if you're in a project, account, or contact. It will automatically pull that information over. Under Other Information, there's a space for location. You can change the show time as to busy or out of the office. And if you add a contact, it will automatically pull over their phone and email address. In the description information, you can add as much description as possible. Just keep in mind that if you have the Outlook to Salesforce connector, the only information other than the date and time that will pull over into Outlook is the subject field. As you scroll down your screen, you'll notice that there are multiple options for creating your event. You can create a recurring series of events. You can create reminders that will pop up in your Salesforce.com when you're nearing the time of an event. Or you can also attach a file by clicking on the Attach File button. Once you click Attach File, it will bring up this window that shows you to select the file by clicking the Browse button, locating it on your computer, and then clicking an Attach File. Keep in mind you can only attach a file on a PC. You cannot attach a file from an iPad. Now we will add attendees to our event. So first we need to click the Add Invitees button under the Invite Others section on the Create an Event screen, and that will bring up a pop-up window that will allow you to search for users, leads, and contacts in Salesforce.com and add them to your event. Keep in mind, if the user is not in Salesforce.com, you will not be able to invite them as an attendee. To search for the person you're looking for, simply type their name into the search field and click Go. Then the search results will return all people with that name in Salesforce.com. Simply find the person that you're looking for, click the checkbox beside their name, and click Insert Selected at the top. That will place that name in the selected list at the bottom of the screen. You can add multiple individuals at this step. And once you've added any and all attendees that you'd like, simply click on the Done button at the top of the screen. Once you click the Done button, it will return you to the main Create an Event screen, and you will see that the contacts that you have added will be added to your invitee list. On the top example, you will see that Joe Smith did not have an email address in the system, and therefore Salesforce will let you know that that person will not receive an invite. They're still added to your event, but they will not receive an invite because they do not have a valid email address. The second option will show you how it will look when the person that you've added has a valid email address and will receive an invitation through email to your event. This is an example of a meeting request email that your contact will receive once you send them an event request through Salesforce.com. They will be able to click on Respond to this request and respond either yes or no to your event. There are several ways to review your event once you have saved it in Salesforce.com. One way is to go to the account, contact, or project that you used to set this event up, and under your Open Activities section, you'll see your meeting listed there. Once you click into the subject of your meeting, you can see details about your meeting, everything that you entered when you first started, and also at the bottom, you can see who has accepted, not responded, or declined the event. Another way to review your event is to go into the calendar view. Once you're in the calendar view, you can look at the day that you have scheduled the event and you'll see it listed there. You can either hover over the event or click on it and it will give you more details about the event. Several of you have asked how to get the activity monitor to change from red to green. You'll notice on the right side of the page under the account detail for ABC Flooring, who I set this event up under, the activity monitor is now green. That is because activity monitor is driven by tasks and events. So once you set up a task or an event for a specific account, contact, or project, the activity monitor color will change from red to green. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation today. I hope this assists you with adding events to Salesforce.com. If you need any further assistance, please contact me at the information listed on your screen. Thanks and have a great day.